the Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Sonim XP3plus. So this is a flip phone. Of course, it is now available at AT&T PREPAID for $199.99. It is available in black, 16 gigabytes of storage there. So this is a flip phone. Of course, it looks rugged. So there it is on the inside of the phone there. Y'all also got your main display there, earpiece logo, and your keypad right there, speaker. Your in key is also your power button, so keep that in mind. So it looks rugged. So if you guys are looking to get like a rugged flip phone, this is the phone to check out here. There are two versions. There's two versions of this phone here. The version that I'm talking about here in this video has a camera on it. There's also a version without a camera on it. If you guys want to check out that version, I will have the link down below as well. So yeah, there's no point of me doing two different videos about the same phone, because the only difference is that one has a camera and one does not. This one that I'm talking about here in this video has a camera on it. So yeah. So there's the inside of the phone there. The right side has your headphone jack, which is hopefully a standard headphone jack. I don't know what this is. Charging port, and I guess a button to program it to, whatever y'all guys want to program it to or whatever. Right side has, the left side has your I'm guessing this is your push to talk button. Then you have your volume keys on the left side here. Your external display is here, camera right here. Don't know if these are buttons. I think these are buttons right here. I think they are. This one looks rugged, so you guys can kind of get the rugged feel right there. You do have your speaker there. It's only one speaker. So this part is a bit smaller than this part here. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here in a second. There's the right side. There's a closer look at the right side. You guys got your headphone jack. I don't know what this is. Charging port. I guess a programmable button there. So very nice. And you guys know you guys see what I'm talking about now. Is that this part is smaller than this part. So that's one speaker right here. So pretty nice. So yeah, the phone looks rugged, so that's a win. Yeah. So I said the Sonim XP3plus is an ultra rugged flip phone built for those who produce, provide, and deliver. With a simple and reliable design, it's programmable to work the way you do, providing communication you can count on. This device offers the best of both cellular and LMR-like capabilities, push-to-talk, two programmable external keys, ultra-loud speakers, noise cancellation, and longer battery life. All backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty, just like in your line of work. With the XP3plus, there's just no quit. Alright? So you do get a 3-year warranty with this phone, so that is very awesome. So you guys know what the phone looks like. There's a right side that has your headphone jack, charging port, programmable button there. Left side has your volume keys and your push to talk button. There's an external display there. Your camera will be here. There's a two programmable buttons here on the external display. So yeah, very rugged phone, you know, so pretty sweet. Specs: two new customizable external buttons, extended long-lasting battery, ultra rugged durability, glove friendly PTT button. So you can use this phone with gloves. So that's very cool. So the dimensions of the phone, I'm guessing this with the phone being open, I guess. is 4.57 inches height, 2.36 inches width, and 1.10 inches depth. So that's a thick fucker right there. The Sonim XP3plus weighs 7.87 ounces, so the phone is a bit hefty. Display size, that's the main display, 2.8 inches. 240 by 320 pixels, that is QVGA. 262,000 colors, so nothing special there. 8 megapixel camera, which is interesting. Video playback 1080p 60 frames. Video playback 1080p 60 frames. 2300 milliamp battery, which is removable. Talk time up to 20 hours. Standby time 12.9 days. Audio playback 17 hours on speaker and 17 hours on headset. Time to charge halfway to 50% is 40 minutes. Time to charge fully is 130 minutes. Chipset is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 processor, octa-core chipset. You get 4 cores at 2 gigahertz, and then you get another 4 cores at 1.8 gigahertz. 16 gigabytes of ROM, 256 gigabytes of micro SD expansion. So take advantage of that, and you get 2 gigabytes of RAM. It has a proprietary OS. I don't know what OS that different runs, so take my word for it, or check the phone out for yourselves or whatever. It has 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone, and there's all your bands there, so it supports all the major bands. It is a roll phone, which is quad band. It has agency voice. Wi-Fi connectivity is 802.11, ABGN and AC, which is very nice. Dual band Wi-Fi, which is nice. Bluetooth 5.0, low energy, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Noise suppression, has wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card, which is standard. Your sensors had accelerometer and barometer, messaging and email. It has a Sonim music player, and you can use Bluetooth on this phone. It has your hairnet compatibilities there, sustainability, product codes and whatnot. What comes with the device is a quick start guide, charging brick, and Type-C cable there, which is very nice. So there you guys have it. The Sonim XP3plus is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $199.99. Doesn't not matter what version that you guys buy, it's $199.99 with the camera or without the camera. So if you guys want to check the version without the camera, that will be linked down below. So if you guys are looking to get a rugged flip phone, the Sonim XP3plus is worth checking out here. It's $200, but you're getting a 3-year warranty, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.